So here we have the Ford S-Max Z-Tech Automatic on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you'll notice we have reversing sensors. Currently all 7 seats are in place, so this is the amount of boot space you have as a 7-seater. To fold them down, it's very simple in this car. Just pull this tab on the top there and give the seat a push. Same on the other side. And you've now converted it to a 5-seater, and as you can see, you get vastly more boot space. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. The seats are in great condition, as you can see. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for this car are 14,706. And directly below that, it will show you what gear this car is currently in. So we are in P for park at the moment. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have controls to change the information on the trip computer. And on the right-hand side, we have stereo controls and some phone controls down here. The phone can be used once it is set up on the car or paired with the car, and that is done on the central screen by hitting Add Device.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And then just following those instructions that you heard a moment ago and that you see on screen. If we go back a page, when it comes to music in this car, there are plenty of ways to listen to it. You have AM, FM and DAB radio. You can use the CD player, and you can also stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. So once you pair up your phone, not only will you be able to make and receive phone calls, but you can listen to your music as well. And on top of that, there are 2 separate USB inputs. So plug in a device via USB, and you'll be able to listen to your music that way as well. On top of that, and I'm sure you saw it on the screen briefly a moment ago, we've got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how this works on our website and on our Facebook page, which is well worth checking out. Working our way down, we have the CD player, followed by dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the temperature on the passenger side, and the adjustment will show up here. It will do the same for the driver side and for the fan speed as well. All adjustable there. Once you're happy with those settings, hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, or hit auto, and the car will maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking control of the fan speed itself, and you can override that at any time you wish to by simply readjusting the fans. We have a heated front screen, as you can see there, as well as the heated rear. Underneath that, we have this section that will open and close. We have a 12-volt charging socket and the 2 USB inputs that I mentioned previously. The fully automatic gearbox with electronic handbrake, and then down here, this button will turn on or off the parking sensors, and this turns off the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out when you're stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That button will turn that system off. And again, there's a video showing this working on our website. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.